Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to combine photos together on your iPhone. So if you want to create a photo collage or grid without downloading any extra apps, just follow along step by step. All right, let's get started. First, swipe down on your iPhone home screen to open Spotlight Search. In the search bar, type Shortcuts and open the Shortcuts app. This is a built-in Apple app that already comes installed on your iPhone. Once you're inside the app, tap on Library at the bottom left, then tap the plus icon in the top right corner to create a new shortcut. At the top, tap where it says New Shortcut, then tap the drop-down arrow and choose Rename. Name it Combine Photos, then tap the checkmark or Done button. Now tap Search Actions and type Select Photos. Tap on it to add it. Next, tap the small arrow next to Select Photos and make sure Select Multiple is turned on. This will let you choose more than one image when creating your collage. Now tap Search Actions again and search for Combine Images. Tap on it to add it. By default, your photos may combine horizontally, but you can customize this. Tap the small drop-down arrow beside the action. Here, you can adjust the spacing between images if you want borders in your collage. You can also tap where it says horizontally and switch it to grid if you want a collage-style layout. You can also choose vertical if you prefer. Once that's done, tap the X to close the menu. Now tap Search Actions one more time and search for Save to Photos. Tap on it so your final image automatically saves to your Photos app. After that, tap the Share icon at the bottom right. Scroll down and choose Add to Home Screen. You can customize the icon if you want, but I'll just tap Add in the top right corner. And that's it! Your iPhone shortcut is now ready to use anytime you want to combine photos together. To use it, just tap the shortcut from your home screen. Your photo library will open automatically. Select the photos you want to combine, then tap the checkmark in the top right corner. The shortcut will instantly create your photo collage or image grid for you. Now, if you open the Photos app, you'll see the combined image saved there with all your selected pictures arranged together. Just keep in mind, the order you select the photos is the same order they'll appear in the collage. And that's how you combine photos together on your iPhone without using any third-party apps.